Hello everyone, Kevin here with PhasedLogix IT Services. You can find us at GetMeTheGeek.com. Today I'm bringing you another Windows 10 quick tip. Here we go. Have you ever wanted to automatically free up some space on your computer? There's an easy way. Windows 10 is built in for that. Let me show you how. Click on the Start menu and then click on the gear icon. That'll take you to the settings, and then you can go to System. Scroll on down on the left hand side here to Storage. You'll see all your drives here, but then if you scroll down just a little bit, they have this thing called Storage Sense. Windows will automatically free up space to get rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in a recycling bin. You can just simply click this on here, and whenever your drive gets full, it'll start cleaning up stuff. But here's a little bonus. You can change how it frees up space. So if you go in here and you take a look at this, Storage Sense will run automatically on low disk space. But you could actually go to the menu here and change that to where it'll run every day, every week, or every month. You can set temporary files, delete temporary files, my apps that aren't using, and then delete files in the recycling bin 30 days. These can also be adjusted. Delete files in my download folder. Be careful on this one because a lot of people download files and leave them in the download directory, and if you turn this on, you're going to wake up and find some missing files. You want to be careful about that. Then there's some OneDrive stuff down here, and then you can, all the way at the bottom, you can clean up space now. So we're going to turn ours on, and we're going to go to once a month. I'm going to leave this temporary files. I do not want to delete my downloads because frankly I put stuff in downloads and sometimes I go back and get them, so they're important. Now we're going to go ahead and just click clean up now, and it's going to go ahead and do its operation. Once that's finished, you'll have more space. And there we go. On mine it looks like I cleared up 39 megs of space. And that's all there is to it to clean up your space. I'm Kevin Stevenson with GetMeTheGeek.com.